My video how-tos back in the days, not all this traffic in the world. I have here are called visors for the car, and they go on, and I'm showing you how nicely they are packaged separately. You get the instruction guide inside, a piece of paper. You get 4 alcohol wipes. You really should get 6 and have yourself your own container of alcohol. The higher the percentage number, the better the alcohol is. No, you're not going to take a Q-tip and do this and spend all day. You're just going to take a towel, wipe it on, clean it off, let it dry. I have electrical tape, a marker, and plastic dip. And you're wondering why. And I also got a Q-tip. And I'm going to open up one visor, wind visor, rain visor, whatever you like to call. Basically what it's for is blacking out the chrome. This is what it's called, smoked door visor. Well, I'm not sure of the number, which side it goes, but if I take a measurement, it looks like it's this one here. So let's take it out of the paper, the plastic, and before I'm ready to do, let's place this on as closest to this area here, right on, and hold it. Now what I want to do is show you where the visor lays. It looks good right over here. I've taken it off. I'm going to relocate again and lay down and show you where it shows on the area right here. This is the amount that's missing. If I start to equal it out the best I can as flush, that looks good, correct? And what does it look like down there? It's got about 1.5 millimeters showing of the chrome. Is that going to bother you over here or over there? Well, I'm not going to pick on every single detail of the product, but it tells you what the kit includes. It's even in a different language. Now we have here's the instruction paper, and the pieces doesn't show any alcohol wipes. The tools needed: a pair of gloves, a heater, and a cleaning cloth. You're going to clean at the right temperature. You're going to clean the surface where you're going to attach. And then you're going to take a measurement of 0.06 inch. Then you're going to hire, peel off, hold, and do all the sizes. No way does it tell you how to heat up. I think I'm going to do this on another day because I'm going out and it needs 12 hours to dry and it needs another 24 hours so you don't go fast and another 48 hours not to wash. Just go ahead and install for another day for me. And we'll show you how we put it on, let it dry, and we can watch it all day, all night. But there we are. Going to be a very simple install. So let's get with the process. This is the alcohol swab. It's not enough to do all. It's only enough to do partial. You could come here and just do a wipe like this. And then you're able to immediately get to the next one and wipe. And then finish off the last one. So they do give you enough to clean. And that's what we're doing right now. You don't have to peel it apart as one piece. And this will dry out immediately. So let's see what type of dirt that's on this particular piece. Just a little bit, not a lot. I'm still going to do with what I got and clean it off. I'm done, just like that. While this is drying, I'm going to make it dry just a little more. I'm going to use the heat gun. The heat gun. I'm going to heat up. Just like this. Don't have to heat it up a lot. I'm only going to do one. But I am going to come across here, and that should be dry. Now, I want to heat this up just enough that the adhesive on here would stick. So I am going to heat up. That's it. I don't want to do too much, just enough. I want to test fit one more time before I add higher. Fold your mirror in just in case you did your test fit, and do your best to peel off the 3M tape. Let it overhang. What you're going to do now is you're going to make sure it fits over here flush. Then you're going to lay it on as even as possible. Give it a little press, not much, and then start to peel the tape, as you can see. Give it a little press. Level it. Use a guide, and you can see just a little bit of the chrome. So you want to make sure you have just enough room. Once you feel you got a good fit, then start to peel. A little force, not much. And then fit. If the door opens, closes, you're good. Do this for about a minute, pressure. All right, we got this done. The door opens up, it closes, and you cannot go fast for 10 hours. You cannot wash it up to 24 hours. So basically, once you got this done, the next day you should be good to go. But don't wash or wax your car for a little bit. Let's finish off the rest. You got two pieces. This is the narrow one, goes to the other side, and this is the wide one towards the narrow edge, goes to this side. No special numbers, no markings. Let's place this on. What we're gonna do is heat up. Take a measurement. Make sure this goes towards the inside like so. Carefully try to peel. We already did alcohol. Make sure the door opens. And apply. Do this for a minute. Don't put heat on it. This is your heat right here. Door opens, closes. And of course, this is the last one. All the numbers are the same. We're going to apply heat, do our best to line this up right there. Now, you notice the amount of chrome that's left on the plastic guard, and it goes a lot further. I wish this would have went all the way down here. I wish it would have followed like that. You can see how much that finished. It didn't. Do our best to peel. So let's finish off by grabbing the rest of the tape, peeling off, and placing on. Now I'm sticking this on right here, just below the ridge. Right below this ridge. There's this little ridge right here, that's where it's going. And I'm done. Just hold it there for a minute. This is the after. All done. You're not going to know this micro mistake right here. What it looks like going across and around. Auto. The logo. Just on one area. This is the other side, and what we're going to do is fold the mirror in. And I'm going to clean it, heat it, sticker it. Done. Time lapse. One side's good enough to show. So let's get this going. Over here, there's some extra. So be careful. Basically, it goes on. I'm all done. Autoclover, made in Korea. Interior, also stamped. I'm going to show you what it looks like inside. I can't show you what it looks like from the inside out. I should have did that before. Fix your mirror. Open up. Show you what it looks like. Now, yeah, when I sit in the car, look out, doesn't look anything like the Honda CR-V that's in front of you. POV style doesn't block my view at all. I don't love the little curvature, but this is fine right here. It's not blocking. Looking from the side, you can see I could get my finger, my pinky, in between. And it's got just a little curvature right here, not much. Like the CR-V ends over here and it comes real wide and down. Totally different. So the car's accent with black on a white car. And it should have never been with chrome. And the only one you can change out is pulling out the side view. To change out this plastic piece to a smoked one. You can put a cover on it and make it all different types of covers, including the handle, the inside, and more. This is all about putting on the visor. And I hope you enjoyed this how-to simple product from Korea. To me, it's a very nice one. In the future, you could peel it off if you like. And on that note, I'm Fish, and I'll see you on the next one.